This is huge, 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 huge for the ZEBEC army. We have been waiting for this to happen. Bullish news, bullish catalyst for the crypto market. And this is exactly what ZBCN needed in order to get out of that critical moment that I outlined yesterday in the video. ZEBEC army, ZBCNs, everyone smash and cook the like button and subscribe to this channel for me because we want to send this message out there to the universe. If you're a ZBCN fan, you must subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you believe that ZBCN's price is going to fall down. So better subscribe and like now and comment in the section below. What do you think about this video? Because I'm going to share something beautiful. So this has just happened. Jerome Powell suggested current conditions may warrant interest rate cuts. It happened a few hours ago, and that is why the crypto market is going ballistic right now. And it's not only because of that, okay? It's not only because of that, okay? It's also because of something that a lot of you might not appreciate, okay? Might not appreciate, which is, okay, that this was not priced in, okay? This is a survey from a person, an analyst, and a trader that I respect and follow. And he asked his people, his followers, okay, he asked them, what do you think? What is their expectation from Jerome Powell in the speech, from the Jackson Hole speech that happened today? And as you can see, 50% said boring, neutral. 42%, almost 43, said hawkish, which means bad, which means he's not going to talk about interest rates at all in a good aspect, maybe even raising interest rate. But lo and behold, and I just showed this is not what happened. Actually, against all expectations, he was actually dovish, not hawkish. And because of that, we have seen a huge price expansion in Ethereum and starting to see in Bitcoin. And this is the time for ZBCN to take charge also, okay? It is time for ZBCN to take charge also. And this is the ZBCN chart, okay? We had kind of a capitulation ish, okay, below this level, okay? This was the level I told you I want us to hold below it, and we can go below it for a day or two maximum. Kind of a capitulation area. Now we are back above it, and from here on, I believe we should go higher, like in a stair-step fashion until one day we break higher. Now, this is not a way for me to gouge to predict the future. I cannot. Okay, as I always say, I can't. I don't have a crystal ball. Only have a bald head, ladies and gentlemen. But I do know one thing. I know how to trade because I trade very successfully for many years, very consistently. Okay, and what I want to see now with this bullish news, with this bullish catalyst, with Ethereum making 15% gain. Ethereum, okay, ladies, Ethereum, okay, has made a 15% gain on the day. Okay, it's knocking on the door, knocking on all-time high door. If you know that song, the all-time high of back of 2021, where a cent almost from it. Okay, so if um dear huge Mayfo friend, okay, of Ethereum can do that, so next thing for ZBCN is to start moving forward. Okay, start moving forward. So is it a good time to load up right now? Definitely. You know, if you go above, let's say, this last high, you can load the boat with putting a stop loss below this low of the day. 11%, no biggie. Even if you put a 10% of your capital, you will lose at a stop loss only 1%. If you go 20%, you lose only 2% if you get stopped out. But you can have a starter of a position and then you can add gradually. Okay, this is the smart way of, you know, trading and investing. And I gave you free alpha over here, but if you want to make sure that you don't miss, you know, anything, any of the trades that we do on the membership, for example, this beautiful AIOT trade just from, you know, 2 weeks ago, AIOT long, as you can see over here, this is the trade that we took above the 46 level. Okay, huge trade. Again, this is from August 8th. You can see it here. August 8th, you can see it here. If you go to the chart, okay, and you look at AIOT for just 1 second. Okay, I'm going to make sure that you see it because it's important. Okay, if you want to be trading with us, okay, if you want to become trading with us and having these types of moves while ZBCN is still waiting, this huge move, 350% from the entry. This was the entry. This was the entry. Whoo! And it just smashed it, moved so much higher while ZBCN was resting. So what you need to do is come join us in the membership. Here you can go scan the QR code, come join the elite if you can. If you have above 6 figures, above 7 figures, and you don't know what you're doing, you need some guidance, come join us. Don't wait. Stop, with the give back, the round tripping of gains, or stop with the losing, stop with not knowing what you're doing. And if you're just, a regular follower, you can scan it, check the rest of the tiers we have. We have a tier for each person. And for newcomers, we're giving a 25% coupon code. Summer sale 25 for newcomers. So definitely come check that out. Okay. We will be trading ZBCN. We will be trading everything, making money consistently. Okay. Also, we have risk management. No one guarantees everything, but now that's what I believe that's going to happen. And again, this video was only for educational purposes, not for financial advice and for entertainment purposes, but it is what I believe. Okay, it is what I believe from my own experience. ZBCN should be kicking off, smashing. What happened over here? Oh my God, something. Sometimes internet falls exactly when I'm talking. No, internet. Anyways, it's time. It's time. Zebaceans, ZBEC Army. If you're seeing me until now, you love ZBCN and you want to make sure price is going to go up. So smash the like button. Subscribe to this channel if you want the price of ZBCN to go higher, and comment in the section below. What do you think about this action in the altcoin market? And what do you think it means for ZBCN? Let's fucking go, ladies and gentlemen. Until next time, no edge.